Hey guys, so this is just going to be a real quick video on the DuHa Underseat organizer. I got it just because leaving my stuff on the seat when braking hard or especially going off-road, it would generally fly forward. And so that's not ideal. So I bought, it's a relatively cheap solution. I think it was 150 bucks on Amazon. There are nicer ones and locking ones that are metal, but those can go up to 500. And I really just needed an organizer. So that's what I'm using the DuHa. It's a very nice system. And also has gun rack mounts as well. But they can also just be used as separators, which is what I'm using them for right now. Either way, let's get to the install. So what do you need for it? Well, you're going to need an 8mm socket, and that's about it. Oh, there's more glass from when I shattered the rear window. And more. And some more. And even more. Okay, so as you can see, it's a nice fit under the seat, but the problem is when you drive, or especially off-road, it will come forward. Well, it's a nice thing that they include, because they have two knobs which are going to go into the hole here and also just down there. So it's gonna replace the top bolt and the storage divider on both sides. So to remove those, you're just going to need an 8mm socket. So let's go ahead and do that. So removed, just take your knobs and screw them in. At first it may not seem like they fit, but they do, and they're going to screw in quite a fair bit. So really that's about it for the installation. You can put the nuts on the other side if you want, but there's really no reason, as these are already threaded if you have that divider. So with that said, really that's all there is to the install. I recommend this system just because it's a nice cheap organizer, keeps your stuff out of the way, and lines up perfectly with your seats, so it doesn't come out at all. You don't lose any leg room. Either way guys, that's all for this video, and I'll catch you all next time.